Sophia, you ready to fix it?
Yeah.
All right, get the round thing and put on the circle. Not that. Get the round thing, the big round thing. Yeah, that one. This one right here. That one. Put it on the circle. Hopefully your fix will make Nana's edger work.
This one?
No, get the small circle or the other circle. Yep. That one. Okay. Line up the hole. Line up the hole here. All right. Nope. Now you need the lid. There you go. Put that on. Here. There you go. Okay. Now you need the little circle. Yep. Okay. Now you need that. There you go. Good job. Okay. Put it in there and line it up. Turn it. Start turning it. Turn it.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. You gotta. It's not lined up. Remember? You need to get it in there. Now turn it. Turn it. Turn it with your hand. Yeah. Turn it. Okay. Let's see. Is it in there? It's in there. Keep turning with your hand. It's easier. Okay. Keep doing it. Go as far as you can. And then we'll get the screwdriver. Is it in? Okay, get the screwdriver. Which one's the screwdriver? Which one do you need?
That one.
Are you sure? Does that work here?
Here.
Does that work? No. Which one do you need?
Here.
Which one did you use to take it off? What tool? No. What did you just use to take it off? What?
This one.
Did you just use that to take this screw off? No. What do you need? What do you need? Look, to turn it. What tool do you need? What tool? Remember? Look, you turned it like this with two hands. What do you need it for two hands?
That way.
Yeah, you're turning it the right way, but you need the screwdriver.
Done.
Get the screwdriver. What's the screwdriver?
That one.
No. Where's the screwdriver? Which one is the screwdriver?
That one.
Are you sure?
This one.
Try it. Remember that? Here, I'll help you line it up. Turn it. Two hands. Two hands. Oh, it came out. Here, let's try it again. Turn it. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. Hold it. You gotta help. I think that's good. That's pretty tight. Yep, that's pretty tight. Alright, we gotta see if it works. We gotta see if it starts now. Alright, come on. Okay, let's set it down on the ground. Got a new spark plug. A new hose. Here. Sit down. Sit.
Oh, down.
Okay. Okay. Here. Stand right here and hold the camera. Hold the camera. Face it at this thing. Here. Don't press the button. Don't press the button. Hold it there. Hold it down here. Here, hold this. Down here. Okay, keep that in there. Up. Like that. Right there. Okay, let's see if it starts.
Go sit down.
Okay. You got it? Can you see it? Look. You did it! It's all fixed.